starter and labor, shop fee and tax would run you to $504.38.
Boy, they tripping.
You thought it was over? D&D World TV. We ain't playing.
What's going on, world? It's your boy D Tubbs back.
And your girl Daisha.
She over here acting too happy, y'all. She think cause she got me in that prank and y'all ran them numbers up on us, like that was crazy. Now once somebody gets some makeup put on their face, now y'all want to go ahead and run up them views, man. Come on, man. Our starter went out, y'all, and pretty much we got to get that fixed. So y'all gonna come on our journey while we go ahead and get that fixed, y'all. But think about it, who gonna fix it? Jiffy Lube, that's a lube place. Stuckies, Pet Boys. No, me. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hands dirty. And for the young boys out there that's scared to to fix their own cars, y'all gotta stop playing.
She want camera time, I guess.
Y'all gotta stop playing, man. But let me tell y'all. Get us copyrighted. You know, your boy like to save money. You know what I'm saying? So whatever's going on, we gotta be able to save money. So I'm gonna fix a starter. And if y'all know anything about starters, the car do not start. The battery will come on, but the car will not start, y'all. Will not start. Only thing that starts up is the lights. Whatever that battery is doing, that's the only thing that's running. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna have Divine with me, have my boy with me. He gonna learn, and pretty much this is a learning thing. You know what I'm saying? We see a lot of YouTubers out there, you know, doing the same mode. But like I said, we're gonna break the mold, and we're gonna really. I want to challenge them YouTube guys, man. Go and fix your car. I know it ain't. Oh, we ain't gonna get no views. We ain't gonna get no clout, man. Skip that, man. We want to be able to show.
Can I say something? I just feel like when you have supporters and people really like you and they enjoy watching you, they gonna watch anything that you put out.
Right.
It don't need to be something somebody else doing.
Right.
Or trying to be like everybody else doing what everybody else is doing. No.
Right. Like I said, we real life people. You know what I'm saying? Like we're not gonna punk fake it for the camera. So it's like. Right. We're going to go out here, we're going to spend time as a family, and we're going to do stuff together. And this is how you keep your lady, you know what I'm saying? When your lady know that you good with your hands, not just in bed, y'all, because that's the old.
Say all that.
I was messing. I'm sorry for the kids out there. But for the guys that think that they can just buy their girl a purse and a bag and give her some flowers, being a big boy, putting them gloves on and getting your hands dirty, that's the real test, y'all. Just for the young boys out there that want to know how you keep a girl, how you keep a lady, how you keep a wife, how you keep somebody happy, right? Girl, don't start, because when this car start up...
What you mean?
Girls,
what
please.
You mean you keep me?
When this car start up, she gonna be like heart eyes, boy. I'm telling you, you know what I'm saying? Let me stop all that talking. Let me get into it. Y'all like, come on, man, let's go outside, man. We want to see the sun. We want to see the sun, man. Y'all be patient, man. Y'all watching us. Peace. Alright, I was just playing. I'm sorry. Catch you outside. Alright, y'all. So, pretty much with the starter, I'm going to try to go and start it up, and it's going to go just like this.
Open door.
Nothing starts. It doesn't crank. I'm cranking it. It doesn't crank. So we're gonna go to the starter and we're gonna pull that starter out, and then we're gonna go to O'Reilly's, AutoZone 1 and 2, and then we're gonna turn it in and get a brand new one, because they do charge you a surcharge if you don't turn your old starter in. So we're gonna get to it. All right, y'all. So go ahead. Come here. I already got it halfway unpulled, so with the battery. So the starter is all the way over here. I'm gonna show them right here. The starter all the way down in here. It's right there. Y'all see that? Right there. I gotta go under here, pull this out, and get it going. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out real quick, and then we'll go ahead and show y'all the next step. So I need to get all this stuff done so we can go and take this part up there so we can get it rolling. All right, y'all, so catch you in a second. All right, y'all, so now we got everything. We got the battery pulled out, so now we're just gonna pull this part out because we need to be able to get to that starter to unscrew that. So we'll be good to go here. So we're about to go ahead and pull this piece out so we can get to that starter. Unplug these cords right here in this boot and get it off, y'all, and then we'll be good. All right, y'all, so I noticed something when I bought this one. If you ever do anything with a breaker bar and you got to take off your starter, make sure you get a ratchet, because I had to jump back and forth with this and this because this is not a ratchet. I didn't even pay attention to that, but I did get it out though. So right here, pull this little piece out, boom. This is the whole piece that doesn't wanna work. So I'm gonna go to the auto part store and try to get a new one and get the best deal. So all right, catch you guys later. What it look like? That little hole down in there, that's what gets your car started up, ready to rock and rumble. Through that little screw right up under there, and then I had to hit that, boom, and yeah, I just wanted to see how that worked. But yep, so I'm gonna go to the auto parts store and then we're gonna get it rocking. So she had went and got something to eat from Chipotle, so I'm just waiting on her to get back. So now I'm about to go. Hold on, my eye itch.
Please clean your hands, boy.
Ah, hands are clean. Hands are clean. Y'all, it's another step on keeping a girl. If you do it, make sure you clean your hands. Get them back right. Get them back to nice and shiny clean. Like, you can't be walking around the house putting your hands on stuff, getting the door dirty, getting countertops, dressers, beds. You gotta keep it clean, y'all. So, I'm waiting for her to come back, so we're gonna go to to the auto parts store because it closed at 10. So I still got enough time. So we're gonna head up there, and then I'm about to just jump in the shower for now until she get back, so I can at least sit down and chill. That's the next step. For the guys that don't want to make their girl mad, take a shower. Take a shower. Do not get on the couch. Do not sit on your dining chair. Do not even place your back on the wall. Take a shower, okay? So I'm about to take a shower, and then I'll meet y'all at, AutoZone part store, whatever. Catch y'all later.
My stomach hurt. That chicken made my stomach hurt. Can you go get me a 7-Up from her? So I'm about to wake him up. Deontay, wake up so you can finish the car. Deontay, wake up.
Hey, yo, hey. Yeah, you about to get me again, boy. Get that camera on. Alright, y'all, we about to get back to the car. I was gonna go in the morning, but I was gonna go last night, but you see where I'm at. I got a little tired, so just get back out there and go to the auto parts store today.
Hello? Is that it?
All right, y'all. So, I went to the parts store. I got my new starter. Let's go ahead and bring it out. Now, when you do that, because when I went up there, you got to make sure you got the right one. It's got to look exactly the same. So, this is what I got. Newer, cleaner than the old one. And make sure, check it out. Just make sure it's right. And we're about to put this in. We're about to get it all started up. I'm gonna try to put everything back in there as you see. And yeah, we're just gonna keep it rolling. So almost done, y'all. Almost done. So all right, I'll catch up with y'all. Got my warranty. Make sure you keep a hold of your warranty when you get one, and make sure you get a warranty. Just started, y'all. I ain't no auto technician or whatever the case is, or whatever you want to call it, but here's the thing. If you want to know how to do something, the best way to do it, and then you know that you did it, sometimes it's good to do stuff yourself. If you can like literally pull it out with a couple of screws, sometimes it's good to do it yourself because you know it's been done safely. Sometimes it's sometimes basically like just learn how to take care of your own stuff sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Like, not that, you being cheap or whatever the case is. Sometimes it's cool to do it yourself and make you feel good, and, it's something new to learn, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody think that you got to take your car somewhere to get it fixed, and really that's what people want you to believe, you know what I'm saying? That you gotta take it somewhere to get it fixed. And sometimes you can do it yourself. They want you to think that. They want to make these cars harder, so, you know what I'm saying? So you ain't got no option but to keep money in their pockets, you know what I'm saying? So if you can do it yourself, man, do it yourself, man. Don't let people scare you out of bettering yourself or learning how to do something for yourself. You know what I'm saying? That goes with anything. But pretty much I got some lubrication that I'm gonna put on these on this screw so it won't get stripped and it goes back in nice and neat. I'm only gonna put like a drop on there. I'm not gonna put a lot. I just kind of want to get a little bit on there so it can at least go back in like nice and neat. So I'm gonna just rub a little bit on there and I'm gonna get this thing put on, y'all, and watch how Daisha reacts. She said already, she was like, hey, I wanna be out here when you turn on the car. I was like, I know that. Right, it's all in there. So I got it all put back. I got the boots put back on there. The little boot things right there. Got those all placed back in there. Get that all nice and tightened up. Looking pretty good. Now these two screws right here, that one and that one, I can place them in there because this one right here, that one right here is the hardest one to put on. So I'm already pre-putting it on. I gotta lift the car back up just to tighten that screw up. I ain't got the right piece to do it at an angle, so I gotta go under the car and tighten it back up. So all right, we're almost done, y'all. We almost done. All right, guys, moment of truth. Everything is put back on. It's all locked down in there, all nice and tight. There you go. There you go, my baby. So, it's about to rain. And we're going to see Daisha's reaction on this car starting up. I haven't touched anything yet. So, we're going to go and check and see how it's going to turn on and how she going to feel. Because she's going to be feeling so good. She's going to be so... And... there you go.
Caress of twilight. There's magic everywhere.
Y'all hear that? It started up. Turn the car on. All right, y'all. I'm just chilling in the bed. I'm about to actually do some calls and see if anybody can beat out the price, that I have paid and did myself. It only took me 2 days, but it really took me under 24 hours to actually do. I just started late yesterday. I started around maybe around 4, and I was shooting a video at the same time, so it take a little longer, but really didn't really take me that long. So if I calculate what I actually spent, the starter was $125 out the door, plus I bought a little lubrication for the screws. Plus I spent $21 on a ratchet, one of those ratchets, just the ones that a little bit flexible so I can get to stuff easier. So that was I'll just say $23, whatever. Because it was $21.99 plus tax, so I just booted up a little bit. That's $148, y'all. I spent on the starter, all inclusive. So we're about to call some auto parts stores. So I'm gonna just put $150 and see if we can have these auto places beat my price on what I did.
And Grown Pet Boys, your Wagner Brake Headquarters.
See how much it costs to get a starter fix on a 2000.
I can give you that.
Okay.
Starter and labor, shop fee and tax would run you $504.38. Lifetime warranty on starter, 90-day warranty.
Okay, so that's $500. Boy, they tripping. Let's see. I'm gonna call Firestone next.
Thanks for calling Firestone. This is Elmer. How can I help you today?
Let's see if I can get a quote on a starter for 2.
Installed with tax, you'd be at $444.80.
$444.80. Nah. All right, $444.80. Not too bad. It's cheaper than Pet Boys. So.
New solder is what we use.
Mm-hmm.
Installed would be with tax $433.81.
$473. $81. Okay, appreciate it. Woo! We made it through. Oh my God, boy. Saving so much money by doing it yourself. And really it be the technician, the guy that's working on your car is the one that's getting all the money. You know what I'm saying? It costs a lot of money to pay them guys, man. So that's why it's just good to just go ahead and try to do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? If you trust yourself enough, go ahead and do it. I'm not telling them people that don't even know how to pick up a screwdriver and all that, you know what I'm saying? But you can build up a little motivation, you know what I'm saying? At least try to do just get the motivation at least, you know what I'm saying? At least try. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, that's the end of the video, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Whoever watched this video all the way through, I really appreciate it. Next thing is, make sure you like the video. Go ahead and share the videos. Any video, I don't care which one you do, go down the catalog, scroll up, and like a video and share it to your auntie, cousin, brother, sister, friend, employer, employee, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, like, look, check out these D&D world people, man. This family is cool, man. I'm just trying to help y'all out, just give y'all something to say. But yeah, hey, y'all got it. I don't need to tell y'all how to do it. I know y'all supporting out there. Hey, appreciate the people that support, like the one, look me directly in my eyes. I appreciate the ones that's actually supporting. You know what I'm saying? Keep on bigging your boys up, you know what I'm saying? We can't do it without y'all. So the next thing is make sure, if you're new to this channel, look at me, the new ones, look at me. Make sure you subscribe, man. Make sure you subscribe, because you're going to end up liking a video in the future, or if you go down the catalog, you're going to end up liking a video. So since we're on subscribe now, we're going to make sure the new subscribers that come in, we're going to shout you out. So make sure you put it down below in the comment section that you subscribe and you're new to the D&D game. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you go ahead and drop that in the comments, you know what I'm saying, if you want to be shouted out in the next video. So and comment down below. That's one more thing. Comment down below. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate all comments, you know what I'm saying? Like, if y'all enjoyed the video or y'all thought something was funny, go ahead and drop it, because we appreciate that stuff. We see you. We see you, you know what I'm saying? So, hey. And hey, keep on enjoying these videos, and we'll catch you later, man. Y'all take it easy, stay positive, stay motivated. Let Daisha and everybody else in the D&D world family shine the light on y'all to make y'all lives happier and better. It's your boy D Tubbs, and I'm out. Cheers!